All right, there's a temple, the top piece of the dyed already. Of course, like I said, I'm using the red wood finish. Um, Here's one of the temples. It's drying as well. That is beautiful, man. That red color. I gotta finish this one up here. Of course, you put stain on like this. You don't want to keep your hands clean. I've been kind of doing it a little bit, so you wanna get your wipe, a good wipe. That way, it's all even. It's all one tone. Like I said, if these was fake, they would have turned. The real ones don't turn. Like I said, the Cartier symbol on them. And so now, usually penetrating stain like this, you want to let it dry for about maybe 3 or 4 hours. Um, but these are the pieces done. Now they're finished. Um, all of the pieces to it. Let me see if I can kind of show you a little better.